Ada slot dah nampak stres. Biarlah dia stres. Galak main macam ni. Macam cilaka lah Yes! Let's go, boys. Come on! Play like this. Play like this. Huh? Asal ada VAR pula? Salah! Kenapa dia? Apa dia buat tu? Round the keeper. Salah. Why is he not so sharp now? Wow, Arne Slot. Korang tak rasa macam Arne Slot first time macam gila ke? Kita tak pernah tengok dia semangat. Tiba-tiba dia semangat. Alah. Waste lah. Pen. Pen. Let's go, Salah. Let's go! Salah! Salah with the penalty!
Saved by the goalkeeper. Mohamed Salah misses from the penalty spot. On both occasions.
Dah boleh balik Egypt kot pergi Beraya.
Adakah ini gol? Salah! Salah!
Salah and Ekitike.
Graven. Oh, Graven ni baller lah. Graven baller. Flow, pass. What a ball!
Great save. And Gravenberg. Liverpool scored twice in 2 minutes.
Let's go, boys! What a ball by Florian Wirtz. That's what we want from Flo. Frimpong!
Buoyant and Frimpong puts it in and it's an own goal.
Let's go! That's what we want! Liverpool! That's what we want! Alah, offside pula. Merepek ah. Weh, kecoh ah. Salah! Salah!
Salah becomes the first African footballer.
Two, Mike, Dalama Salah tax score Macam 2.
Yeah, betul bro. Oh shit! Sakit tu bye.
Lor Gakpo de Gaut dah masuk ke?